Hello everyone and welcome back to Ben Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most important topics in Excel, how to enter and edit data. If you're new to Excel, this is the first skill you need to master. Let's get started. When you open Excel, you'll see a grid made of rows and columns, as you can see. Each box in this grid is called cell. As I'm clicking on every cell, you can see these are the cells in the worksheet. And this is where you enter your data. To start typing, simply click on any cell you want to type. For example, let's click on cell A1. And now just start typing. You can enter text like a name, as you can see, or you can write a number like 100, 200, or anything. Once you finish typing, press enter on your keyboard. Excel will save your data and automatically move you to the next cell below. If you press tab, Excel will move you to the next cell on the right instead. For example, if I write 100 in A2 cell and press tab, you can see that it's moved to B2 in the right. Now let's talk about editing data. If you want to change something inside a cell, you have two easy options. First, you can double click on a cell. In this way, you can edit the content of the cell. For example, I want to add some other things to write Ben Academy. Let's increase the width of the column to see it in the cell. In this way, you can edit the content of a cell. Second, you can click once on the cell and then go to the formula bar. This part is named as formula bar, as you can see at top of the window. You can edit your data from there as well. For example, I want to write 1000 instead of 100. After click on enter in your keyboard, you can see that it's changed and moved to cell below. What if you want to completely replace the content? Just click on the cell, start typing. For example, I want to replace another text like format here. I started typing, so after press on enter, you can see that the text is completely replaced by another text that I have written now instead. Now let's fix mistakes. If you typed something wrong, you can use the backspace key. For example, after double click, I can use backspace to remove one, and instead I can write 2 and then press enter. Or if you want to clear everything in the cell, just select the cell and press delete key on your keyboard. In this way, all the content of that cell is deleted. You can also copy and paste data. Select the cell, press Ctrl C, then select another cell and press Ctrl V to paste, simply in the same way that you use in Microsoft Windows. This is very useful when working with repeated data. You can repeat pasting many times by pressing Ctrl V anytime. And after finishing your job, you can press escape to quit copying and pasting the data. Finally, here is a quick tip to save time. You can click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of a cell. This is called the fill handle to quickly copy data into other cells. For example, if I click on the corner and drag it to the below, you can see that this text is copied to all the cells below that cell. Or if I move to the right, you can see that it's copied to the right. For numbers, you can also do this. For example, if I use fill handle, you can see that it's copied, but there's a menu here and you can work on it. It's another topic of video, and you can check our channel. There is a video about fill handle in our channel. You can check it to see what other options are available for fill handle. And that's it. Now you know how to enter and edit data in Excel. These simple skills are the foundation for everything you'll do in Excel, so make sure you practice them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.